Thank you so much, everyone. Go enjoy the party.
As usual, trendsetter, happy birthday. I hope you enjoy the senior citizenship. Mwah!
A lovely lady.
Gorgeous.
The youthful, energetic person you are.
Amazing, amazing. Happy birthday. We love you.
Let's have fun. This party is for all of us. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Let's raise a glass for my sister. Officially, she's now vintage. That means she's classy and high maintenance.
She's our model. Always, always so cheerful.
But you never gave up in believing in me and my dreams.
He was already very welcoming and loving.
I literally joked her, tita, di mo kami invite sa birthday mo. And then now she invited us. Because she's really just the most generous person.
We have already traveled around the United States with Tess. We've been to California, Utah, and Arizona. Those are the memorable things.
And to my sweetheart, the original, bossing, stand up daddy.
We'll always be together, together in electric
Happy birthday, Tita Tess. Love you.
My mother now doesn't drink at all, so all those dance moves are pure energy.
I was there when we were just living in a one-bedroom apartment, sleeping on floor mattresses, playing in giant TV boxes. I was also there crying my eyes out when she would leave me at home. Minsan pa nga, umakit ako sa gate just trying to catch her while Jethro looks on, judging me. And I'm sure everyone here, you've been invited here for a reason because you felt that light shine on you one way or another.
Thank you for being the life of the party, and I always treasure memories that go to, the travels that we do, and more travels in the future.
We'll always be together, together in electric dreams.
Adventurous, gorgeous.
Fashionista yan si Ate Tess.
You're very strong. Marble rice meal.
Thanks for everything. Love you. Wishing you all the best.
Happy birthday, Tess!
From the very beginning, you have built my world with warmth, tenderness, and quiet strength. Your sweetness is not just in your smile, but in the way you care, you listen, the way you make everyone around you feel loved. You have a heart so gentle, yet so strong. And I'm endlessly grateful that I got to call you my wife. No matter where life takes us next, my favorite destination will always be right beside you.